Good morning, children. Children, today we are going to learn short answers and long answers. Lesson looking at the earth. All of you open your worksheets. Open chapter 2. Okay, we are going to learn short answers and long answers of the lesson looking at the earth. In our previous class, we have completed this part. Choose the correct answers, right? And today we are going to learn short answers and long answers. Come to short answers. First one. Define globe. D-E-F-I-N-E. Define globe. G-L-O-B-E. Globe. And the answer is, a globe is a small round model of earth. A globe, G-L-O-B-E, globe is a small, S-M-A-L-L, small, round, R-O-U-N-D, round, model, M-O-D-E-L, model of earth, E-A-R-T-H, earth. Define globe. A globe is a small, round model of earth. Second question. The large areas of land are called the large, L-A-R-G-E, large, A-R-E-A-S, areas of land, L-A-N-D, land, are called, C-A-L-L-E-D, called. The large areas of land are called continents. The answer is continents, C-O-N-T-I-N-E-N-T-S, continents. Come to the third question. The deepest ocean in the world is the D-E-E-P-E-S-T, deepest ocean, O-C-E-A-N, ocean in the world, W-O-R-L-D, world, is Pacific Ocean. Answer is P-A-C-I-F-I-C, Pacific, O-C-E-A-N, ocean, Pacific Ocean. The deepest ocean in the world is Pacific Ocean. Fourth question. Which is the smallest continent? Which, W-H-I-C-H, which is the smallest, S-M-A-L-L-E-S-T, smallest continent, C-O-N-T-I-N-E-N-T, continent. And the answer is Australia. Australia is the smallest continent, A-U-S-T-R-A-L-I-A, Australia. Okay. Come to the fifth question. Name any three oceans and continents. Name, N-A-M-E, name any three oceans, O-C-E-A-N-S, oceans, and continents, C-O-N-T-I-N-E-N-T-S, continents. Oceans, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Arctic Ocean. Answer, oceans, three oceans are Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Arctic Ocean. I-N-D-I-A-N, Indian Ocean, P-A-C-I-F-I-C, Pacific Ocean, A-R-C-T-I-C, Arctic Ocean. And the continents, the three continents are C-O-N-T-I-N-E-N-T-S, continents are Asia, A-S-I-A, Asia, Africa, A-F-R-I-C-A, Africa, Europe, E-U-R-O-P-E, Europe. Again, I am repeating the question and answers. Children, all of you repeat along with me. Define globe. A globe is a small, round model of earth. Second one, the large areas of land are called continents. The large areas of land are called continents. Third question, the deepest ocean in the world is, the deepest ocean in the world is Pacific Ocean. Fourth one, which is the smallest continent? Australia is the smallest continent. Fifth question, name any three oceans and continents. The three oceans are Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean and Arctic Ocean, and the three continents are Asia, Africa and Europe. Now come to long answers. First question. Write the disadvantages of a globe. WRITE. Write the disadvantages. Disadvantages of a globe. 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 And the answer is, we can see only half of the earth at a time. We need to rotate the globe to see other half. We can see only half, HALF, half of the earth, EARTH, earth at a time. We need to rotate, ROTATE, rotate the globe, 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 to see other half. And its small size makes it difficult to study places in detail. It's small, SMALL, small size, 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 makes it difficult, DIFFICULT, difficult to study places, 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 in detail, DETAIL, detail. Okay. A next disadvantage, it's difficult to carry a globe from one place to another. It's difficult, DIFFICULT, difficult to carry, CARRY, carry a globe, 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 from one place to another. Write the disadvantages of globe. And the answer is, first disadvantage, we can see only half of the earth at a time. We need to rotate the globe to see other half. Its small size makes it difficult to study places in detail. It's difficult to carry a globe from one place to another. And the second question, what are the continents? Name them. WHAT, what? ARER, continents, 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 name them. NAME, name, THEM, them. And the answer is, the large areas of land or continents, the LARGE, large, AREAS, areas of land or continents, CONTINENTS, continents. The continents are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, Australia. ASIA, Asia, AFRICA, Africa, NORTH, North America, 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 South America, SOUTH, South, AMERICA, South America, Antarctica, 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 Europe, 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 Australia, AUSTRALIA, Australia. Third question, what are oceans? Name them. WHAT, what are oceans? OCEANS, oceans, name them. Large water bodies on earth are oceans. They have salty water. The oceans, large water bodies. LARGE, large. WADER, water. BODIES, bodies on earth are oceans. OCEANS, oceans. They have salty water. SALTY, salty. WATER, water. The oceans are Pacific Ocean, PACIFIC, Pacific, OCEAN, ocean, Indian Ocean, INDIAN, OCEAN, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean, ARCTIC, Arctic, OCEAN, ocean, Antarctic Ocean, ANTARCTIC, Antarctic Ocean, and Atlantic Ocean, ATLANTIC, OCEAN, ocean, Atlantic Ocean. Okay, children, read these short answers and long answers 2 to 3 times, and all of you write down 2 times each short answers and long answers. Write 2 times in your homework book. Thank you, children. Bye, all of you.